Welcome to Man Utd Transfer HQ, your ultimate source for Manchester United news, rumours and updates. Our today news is Man United transfer news. Gianluigi Donnarumma talks underway as Jadon Sancho issue emerges. Manchester United have less than 2 weeks to tie up their transfer business with incoming activity and outgoing deals to resolve as Ruben Amorim attempts to ensure a stronger season. The transfer window is entering its final throes and Manchester United have work to do. The club still have ambitions over a number of deals to complete before the summer is done. The Red Devils have made big moves to land a new frontline in Matheus Cunha, Bryan Mbeumo and Benjamin Sesko. But Ruben Amorim is noted to want a new midfielder this summer. Though Carlos Baleba does not look to be available at a suitable price, there has been no shortage of talk over goalkeepers either. Andre Onana and Altay Bayındır have both seen their future speculated upon, while the club have been linked to Gianluigi Donnarumma and Emiliano Martinez. There are exits to secure too. United hope to see Jadon Sancho, Antony, Alejandro Garnacho, Tyrell Malacia and Rasmus Højlund all depart in the coming days. With that said, Mirror Football looks at the latest transfer news and rumours. Manchester United may have to move quickly if they want to sign Gianluigi Donnarumma, with Manchester City said to have opened talks with Paris Saint-Germain over a move. The French club are looking to move on the Italian after signing Lucas Chevalier, with Donnarumma in the final year of his contract. City have already added James Trafford this summer and he started against Wolves in Ederson's absence. The Brazilian was suffering from illness as reports of a move to Galatasaray gather pace. City are unwilling to meet PSG's £40 million asking price, per Football Italia, but the League One champions could be persuaded to lower the fee given Donnarumma's significant salary. Jadon Sancho's agents are posing a problem in the Manchester United star finding a new club, according to reports in Italy. Gazzetta, per Sport Witness, claim the commission they require has caused a stumbling block for Roma's progress in a move, with Juventus and Atletico Madrid said to have been dismayed already this summer. Roma are said to be happy to provide an offer near Sancho's £7.7m per season wage demands and have an agreement in principle with United over terms for an initial loan deal. But Sancho's representatives are claimed to be more attracted by offers from Besiktas and Saudi Arabia. The Serie A side will now rely on the player to bring his agents back to their senses, it is said. Sancho has previously been said to be waiting on other offers. West Brom boss Ryan Mason has spoken glowingly about Manchester United loanee Toby Collier and expects the midfielder to improve a great deal this season. The ex-Spurs coach revealed the youngster had been a target for weeks and could not speak highly enough of his desire to improve the player this season. Toby's a young player, but we know we're going to need him and he's going to help us, Mason said. I've wanted Toby for a few weeks now. He's someone that I really believe in, which is important, and I have that belief in all of my players. But when you go on loan to somewhere, I think you need to feel like you're wanted from the club and the manager, and he certainly is that. Hopefully we can help him, because if we help him improve and grow as a player, then it's certainly going to be beneficial to us. I think there's loads of room and loads of growth to develop. That's certainly going to happen on the training pitch. The reality is the game is the best teacher. The more game exposure you can get, the better, especially at a young age. I'm sure and I expect that Toby knows that I believe in him, which for me is super important. I'm going to put a lot of energy, the same amount of energy that I've put into him as every other one of my players, to help them grow and improve. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Man United Transfer HQ, and turn on notifications so you're always in the loop with the latest transfer news and rumors. One more thing, what are your thoughts on these updates? Comment below.